So right now I'm heading down to the beach. Everyone else went before me because I take long to get ready. So now I'm just trying to catch up to them. I can hear their voices, but I can't see them for... Oh, there they are. Alright. So we're catching up. So we're on the beach of Treasure Beach. The water is beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, take a one stroll. See what I'm going. Oh gosh, not my sexiest right now, but can still work. How are them something I eat?
A Sea Grape nothing.
They said, can you eat?
Original man, no good for man, original grape this one better. The best, look at the really darker one them, you know?
Mm. They eat the skin?
Just don't eat the seed, eat off everything and split out the seed.
So I was walking along the beach and stumbled upon this tree right here. And I was told that these things are sea grapes. And you can just pick the red ones. You can just pick the red ones. Like these red ones. All the red ones you can pick and eat. I would say they're a mixture between... what are they a mixture between? I don't even know. It has a very tart taste, but it's not overly sweet. So it's tart with a hint of sweetness, which, it works. So breakfast won't be ready until 9 o'clock. So these right here will have to be my breakfast for now. Everyone else went way up the beach right now, so we're just trying to catch them up. Fully ready for the morning run.
Always.
Ladies, this is wife goals right here. You know, normally the man affair take a bag of pictures for the woman. Yeah. Are the promised land this, you know? You know, see, it look like we're going to heaven. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Guys, these are the chairs and the back display for the retirement couple.
So we got to see this beautiful property. We're leaving now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. I don't even know if you can see me right now because I'm backlit. Beautiful. Going back from whence we came. Gatekeeper.
Yes.
What birds? Nepal, yeah. I know you guys like to take the scenic route. On the road.
Them say we can take boat from here, go to...
Where?
Pelican.
Oh.
Yeah,
So if
I
I
must say
stay
that be a
here,
little bit more expensive, I must say.
like a longer distance?
Yeah, it's a longer distance, but you have to see the coastline and
Wow.
you can look up on dolphin and stuff like that.
Oh. Wow.
Right.
But that instead of driving to somewhere
Right. But like where we take it from, I feel like 1,000 miles, it must be here, or like 30 US, you have to see it.
Adam and Eve, the Garden of Eden. But I don't know who is Adam and who is Eve. Good morning, Beverly. Good morning. And Renee. Oh gosh, I smell the planting them from the beach. You know? know yourself, man. I can't too late. That food not done it. If the food is done, then I'm too late. So it's currently breakfast time. So we're heading down to get some grub. Alright, yeah, I'm catch that. So it's dinner time. We're about to go down. Daddy. The lovely lady as well. Mr. Payne.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
I did it! Yes, cheers to making more memories for years to come.
Cheers to the bride.